15 yoga poses that can change your body. This pose is working, stretching, and strengthening the entire body, and it's one of the main poses in most types of yoga. Tuck your toes under, press your hands into the floor and straighten the legs to come up into downward dog. Your shoulders should be directly over your elbows, your back is straight, if you can, lift your legs up, otherwise stay on your knees. This is a very good pose for stretching your upper body, as well as increasing the strength of your arms, legs, and core, and improving balance. Start by placing your hands behind you as you face toward your feet. This pose is designed to work on the sides of waist and strengthen the legs, stretch the hips, hamstrings, calves, shoulders, chest, and spine. Start by stepping your feet one leg length apart and reach your arms wide. Start bending down and put your right hand down on your ankle, shin, knee, or the floor while stretching your left hand to the sky, keeping a straight line from the right hand to the left. If you are new to the world of yoga, practicing this pose is a good place to start. It will improve your balance and teach you how to breathe.